What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. बहुत टाइम के बाद आज मैंने रिकॉर्ड करना चालू किया है क्योंकि I was quite honestly just focusing on myself and focusing on bringing my mindset back and putting in the work. I was just working on myself and creating a timetable and a schedule for myself and understanding my prep a little better. This competition style cut has gotten a lot out of me, to be quite honest. क्योंकि ये मेंटली इतना हार्ड है, मुझे ये पता नहीं था. लाइक आई न्यू इट वाज गोना बी हार्ड बट आई डोंट नो हाउ हार्ड इट वाज, क्योंकि मेरे काफ़ी सारे दोस्तों ने ये किया है एंड देव टोल्ड मी अबाउट हाउ हार्ड इट इज़ एंड ऑल अबाउट ऑल द क्रेविंग्स एंड अबाउट द एनर्जी. एंड क्वाइट फ्रैंकली it's all true and it's super hard, and mad respect to the people who have done this and who are doing this. So basically the whole point of me making this video was to tell you guys, it's going to be a short video by the way, so I'm sorry about that. बट ये वीडियो मैं इसलिए बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आप लोगों को एक अपडेट देना था कि मेरा बॉडी वेट कितना है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, व्हाट एम आई ईटिंग एंड व्हाट एम आई प्रायोरिटाइजिंग राइट नाउ. तो just to give you a gist of it, I'm back to 63 kgs. If you guys are wondering what do I mean by I'm back to 63 kgs, it means that I have been 63 kgs, but I was fluctuating between 63 to 65 kgs constantly for a good couple of months. And that is because I was falling sick and there were a lot of other things that were going on in my life. Plus, as you guys know that I just graduated out of law college. So focusing on everything about, focusing on the next phase of my life, it took a lot of toll on me. And I'm finally back now, and I have figured out a little bit of what my plan is going to be, but it is not completely sure. But when I do figure it out, I'm going to for sure update you guys about that too. तो basically हमारा priority अभी है कि we are going to be lifting as heavy as we can, क्योंकि सबको पता है कि अगर आप heavy lift नहीं करोगे तो आपका स्ट्रेंथ ड्रॉप हो जाएगा, और अगर आपका स्ट्रेंथ ड्रॉप हो रहा है तो मतलब योर मसल मास इज ड्रॉपिंग टू. So because strength and muscle mass is directly proportional to each other and they're linked together. So the whole priority right now is to get my steps in, lift as heavy as I can, eat in a proper calorie deficit, not eating anything else, and focusing just on this right now for the next 30 to 35 days. And hopefully in the next 30 to 35 days I should reach the body fat level that I wanted to. And if I want to go lower than that, that is up to me. That depends on what I look like and if I'm satisfied with what the results are after 35 days from now. One of the biggest mistakes जो मैंने किया है वो था कि I hadn't kept a end date of my cut. मैंने कभी किया ही नहीं था, like I never kept a date that I wanted for my cut to end. So I was constantly just going with the flow, and I realized that that wasn't working out for me, and I was constantly, failing, and I wasn't able to focus on this. But now I've finally kept a date. Today we are going to be training with Saurabh. Saurabh and me are training chest, shoulder, and triceps today because it is his push day. So we are going to be doing his routine today. So yeah, it's always fun to work out with Saurabh because working out with Saurabh I learn a lot, to be honest myself. Plus Saurabh is also doing a prep and he's also 35 days out, and we wanted to do this together. And this way I thought अगर मैं एक दोस्त के साथ कर रहा हूँ तो एक मेरे लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो सकता है, क्योंकि we both will be comparing our progress and walking together and training together will help us both do this a lot more smoother. Saurabh is going to come to the gym in the next 20 minutes. I'm going to go quickly have my breakfast and we're going to head to the gym. Right, so my 50 grams of spinach with 3 whole egg omelette and 7 egg whites today because there was one last egg over there. I felt too bad about leaving it, so there's an extra one. 2 slices of bread क्योंकि इसके बाद वर्कआउट करने जाना है तो कार्ब्स चाहिए, एंड माई कॉफ़ी ऑफ कोर्स टू अगेन फ्यूल द वर्कआउट. और ये मेरा पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील रहने वाला है. ये न्यूट्राबे का बायो ऑब्जॉर्व वे है, डार्क चॉकलेट फ्लेवर वाला. तो अगर आप लोगों को ट्राई करना है तो माई कोड इज़ देयर. Alright, तो we have just gone to the gym and basically हम लोग आज chest shoulder triceps train करने वाले हैं, and like I said we're going to be training with Saurabh. Saurabh is currently warming up and I just finished my warm up. He chats a lot with a lot of people, so he took a little while for that. So we're going to start with flat dumbbell press. बहुत टाइम के बाद मैं भी flat करने वाला हूँ. I am used to doing the slight incline for a while, but सौरभ ने बोला कि आज ये ट्राई करने के लिए, एंड वार्म अप काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था. होपफुली फॉर द टॉप सेट ऑल्सो इट शुड बी. आई थिंक आई एम गोना डू अ लिटिल लाइट क्योंकि सौरभ इज़ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट फॉर्म. I'd rather hit, good quality reps than just ego lift for no reason. So yeah, gonna go finish that, and after that we're gonna do triceps. So Saurabh ने मुझे बोला कि come at 10 o'clock because there is nobody at 10 o'clock. Yeah. And turns out, I think पूरा पुणे यहाँ पे आया है भाई.
So then I also told him कि भाई Monday Tuesday.
तेरा mic कहाँ पे है?
मेरा mic कहाँ है? अरे I did it for you only. सो जिम का ऐसा रहता है कि मंडे ट्यूसडे वेंसडे लोगों का मोटिवेशन लेवल हाई रहता है तो आते हैं, बिकॉज मंडे इज फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस, तो मंडे ट्यूसडे वेंसडे थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस, बाकी अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक डूएबल।
yeah, it is, sure, let's see. And music भी बहुत जोर से चल रहा है.
हाँ वो भी है।
It's the loudest I've ever heard it for some reason. This is blasting it whenever I come to the gym for no reason. So good luck for us to try to record today, but we got Saurabh's mics, so hopefully it should be better. Yeah, comparatively no, a lot better. So yeah,
चल slow.
चल. Easy, all you. चल. Nice. चल. One more. मैं यहाँ पे सांस ले रहा हूँ जैसे कि मेरा सेट है भाई। मैं ऐसे सांस ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पे तुझे हेल्प करने के लिए जैसे कि मेरा सेट है। खुद के सेट में इतना सांस नहीं लेता हूँ मैं
भाई ना।
So this exercise you have to make sure that your hand placement, the way you're doing this is supposed to be very specific. मैं आपको एक close up दिखाऊंगा बाद में. So you're supposed to do according to that. So what this does is come a little back, keep a slight arch on your back, bend a little forward, lock your elbow to a position and then drive only from your tricep. So you're focusing only on your tricep, pushing it down, not anything else. And my hand position is forcing me to use only my tricep and not my shoulder.
So एक तो ये है ना, ये तेरे पाम पे रहेगा, ये ऐसा पाम पे,
हाँ.
तो यहाँ से इसको ले जा, जितना हो सके उतना टाइट,
Okay.
यहाँ से इसको लगाओ।
So he says basically you're supposed to grip this part क्योंकि यहाँ पे velcro है. You can't trust the velcro too much. Velcro might just come out, and that happened to me the first time I tried this exercise. And this hook went straight into my lip and almost tore my entire lip. तो काफ़ी अच्छा experience था, learning curve था, बढ़िया. We're done with this now. Now what do we do? Now we're doing red hills.
Unreal है bro, बंदा इसके how do you think this is even real? कि देख इस तरह यहाँ पे फैट है नहीं for some reason, तो फट के पूरा मसल ही पता नहीं, मसल ही बचा है सर. This is not real. ऐसे मेरा देखो ये है ही नहीं.
है भाई, तेरा भी है, तेरा मेरे से बड़ा है.
पहचानने के लिए खाल अच्छे है पर नहीं है. You look at these uneven forearms. उधर देख रहे हो?
Uneven forearms bro. He made my forearms.
में रहने का.
म्यूजिक बंद हो गया भाई, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ?
म्यूजिक बंद. अबे यार fuck off bro. Basically what Saurabh says is that you keep this a little lower. मैं ये थोड़ा ऊपर रखता हूँ usually. I keep it at the maximum place for no reason. I mean not no reason. I feel it much better, that's why. But Saurabh says that you need to keep it a little lower, and you keep your one foot to the back for stabilization purposes. And you lean forward and you fix your chest over here, right? And when you're pushing, you only use your right hand. So what I do is I drive it with here, like this part of my wrist. I push with that. That way, the mind-muscle connection is a lot better. Right now we are doing the bench-supported cable presses.
तीन चीजें. Wrist थोड़ा सा कर्ल रहेगा, ठीक है? ये पिक्की, लोअर चेस्ट in one line. और जितना हो सके लिबर्टी लेकर चेस्ट को आउट कर.
ये ऐसे क्यों नहीं बोला तूने पहले? In one line? नहीं, तूने in one line बोला, पर in one line with your lower chest नहीं बोला. तो मुझे थोड़ा वो.
Pinky and lower chest in one line. What does? Yes. Because we are packed at flies after this, and yeah, so far so good. The lower I go on my body fat, the less better I feel about taking my pump cover off. Today in the morning when I woke up and I was having breakfast, मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे पूछा कि और कितना नीचे जा रहा है तेरा बॉडी वेट, क्योंकि तो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, looking very small. It hits you a little bit about how much size you're losing. Getting used to feeling the way I do right now, small, which I'm not used to. But you got to do what you got to do, and bulking won't be too hard for me specifically because I enjoy it. So I like lifting heavy, plus I like eating food. So bulking for me was never hard. It's only cutting that is very, very mentally challenging. So once this patch is done, you're going to get a lot better in every single weak point. We're going to target it and get a lot better. Look at Saurabh over there, big ass dude. You got to look like that. So ज़्यादा बारिश चालू हो गई है. I can barely see the city, and I genuinely don't know how I'm going to go home. थोड़ा शोल्डर दुख रहा है पर ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा था, pretty good. Not been able to talk a lot in the gym today क्योंकि I've come at a different time, so to get accustomed to speaking in front of a lot of people, plus music बहुत ही जोर से चल रहा है, so for that I take time to get adjusted a little bit. पर yeah, good workout. बहुत टाइम लगा है. It's already been 2 hours 20 minutes and we're still over here, but it's all right. And I have 1 घंटे का cardio also plus posing, so it's going to take a while today, I guess, but it's all right. Good workout, that's all that matters. भूख लगी है भाई मुझे. हाँ, और क्या करना है? हो गया? Alright, so we have push-ups now and we're done for today. Alright guys, तो ये मेरा lunch है. This is 200 grams of chicken, 50 grams of rice, 40 grams of dahi, along with NutraBase Bioabsorb Whey, the dark chocolate flavor to give me a little bit of a dessert feel. You guys can use my code GautamYT for an additional discount on this too. If you guys are wondering why I'm having my whey protein with my chicken and rice for lunch, it's because I'm trying to reduce my meal frequency. सबको पता है कि when you're cutting, आपका meal frequency अगर कम रहेगा, so that gives you a better chance to lose more fat and increase your metabolism, because the time gap or the window that you have between each meal is where your metabolism is working and it's helping you burn a lot of fat. So this way what happens is that I'm having a good amount of protein after my workout, since I'm working out at 10 a.m. in the morning, which by the way is my new time now. Thanks to this, what happens is that I get to finish my meals by 7 o'clock, and 7 o'clock I'm having my dinner, and that's my last meal of the day. So guys, as you can see, I'm very very low on energy. अगर आप लोग ने मेरा workout भी notice किया, I wasn't speaking a lot because the lower the body fat is going, I'm feeling extremely tired. I'm already eating such less calories. उसके ऊपर से 20 to 25,000 steps a day. It is excruciating pain, and quite honestly, it's very very tiring. So I was extremely hungry, so I ran after the gym. Plus बारिश आप लोग ने देखा बहुत ज़्यादा था,
though I just wanted to come back home as soon as the rain got a little less, because it's the raining again now and I would have been stuck at the gym. We didn't get to do cardio today at the gym, but no problem about that. I have the rest of the day to walk now. That's the best part about working out in the morning. It's so that the rest of the day is quite free for me to do the rest of my activities. Also, guys, sorry about the audio at the gym. I knew that it was too loud, but I am going to invest in my gear soon, and I promise you guys this is the last month that you have to bear with the low quality videos. From next month, we're going to get the high quality, really good production videos. I promise you guys are going to see it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to end the video over here now. I'm going to go walk and finish my steps. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.